Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best orthopedic dog beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Big Baker Top Orthopedic Dog Bed. This is the best orthopedic dog bed that tops this list. It comes in various colors that you can choose from according to the decor of your house. Your dog will definitely love this bed since the orthopedic foam that has designed it is the best quality you will ever find in a bed for dogs. It has been specifically designed for bigger dogs. It is also available in various sizes according to the size of your dog. It features a 10-year guarantee where you can get back your money if it loses its original shape within a decade. This guarantees you of high quality which the bed has been designed with. Apart from making a good bed for your bed, this piece will also give a great look to your house. The bed is very soft to the touch. Moving on at number 4, we have the Furhaven Deluxe Orthopedic Mattress Pet Dog. This is the best orthopedic dog bed for medium to large-sized dogs. This is the bed that boosts your dog's health by supporting its joints and soothing its pressure points. This gives your dog more restorative and deeper sleep. It comes with plush faux fur fabric giving your dog a sleeping surface that is soft on noses and paws. At number 3, we have the K&H Manufacturing Lectro-Soft Bed. Have you bought the best orthopedic dog bed that comes with free fleece cover? If not, this is the time for you to surprise your dog with such a high-quality bed. It is a bed that has been designed in such a way that its temperature regulates in accordance with the temperature of your dog. Therefore, this bed is thermostatically controlled when your dog lies on it. This means that it will never be too cold or too warm for your dog. It features a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer and this justifies its quality. This is the number 1 best orthopedic dog bed which your pet can hang out on during outdoor ventures. At number 2, we have the Dog Bed 4 Less Orthopedic Memory Foam Dog Bed. This is a bed that comes with a pair of cover layers. One of the layers is heavy-duty washable external zipper denim cover. It comes with a blue color and the other layer is a waterproof internal zipper case. This enhances easy cleaning and comfort. The bed features an additional bonus of external micro-suede brown cover. This is the best orthopedic dog bed that can give your dog a superior orthopedic support. The support is enhanced by the high-density memory foam pad. It relieves arthritis pain and boosts the sleep quality of your dog. And finally at number 1, we have the Big Baker Orthopedic Dog Bed. It is the best orthopedic dog bed that you can get your dog. It is perfect for bigger dogs and it is available in various sizes. This gives you an option to choose from according to the size of your dog. The best thing about this bed is that it comes with a 10-year guarantee and this just shows how quality it is. For 10 years, this bed will retain its original shape, otherwise, you will get your money back. This is why you should buy it today for your dog's comfort for a whole decade. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.